Welcome to our new class of Python for machine learning. In this class, we are going to learn about AI versus ML versus deep learning. Before getting into our practical classes, we have to know more about how Python can be used for machine learning and how many types of machine learning are there and what ideas do we need before getting into our classes. So, here's a brief overview of the differences between artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning, ML, and also deep learning. Let's talk about artificial intelligence or AI. The definition of artificial intelligence is that AI is the broad field of creating machines or software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include reasoning, learning, problem solving, understanding natural language, and also perceiving environments. So, what is the scope of AI? AI encompasses a wide range of technologies, including but not limited to machine learning, robotics, natural language processing, and expert system. The examples of AI or artificial intelligences are chatbots, autonomous vehicles, and also recommendation search like systems and also the services. Now let's talk about machine learning or ML. The definition of machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on the development of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data. It involves training models using data to identify patterns and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for specific tasks. Type of learning 1. Supervised learning, which models are trained on labeled data, and 2 is unsupervised learning. These models identify patterns in unlabeled data. And 3 is reinforcement learning, where models learn by interacting with the environment and receiving the feedbacks. And let's talk about the machine learning examples: spam email filtering, image recognition, and predictive analytics. 3. Deep learning. The definition of deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence deep, to model complex pattern in data. These networks are particularly powerful for tasks involving large amount of data such as image and also speech recognition. Architecture of deep learning. Deep neural networks, which consist of multiple layers and interconnected neurons or nodes, can automatically learn features and representation from data. The examples of deep learning are voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, face recognition system, and also language translation services. So, what is the summary? AI is the broadest concept, aiming to create intelligent systems. ML or machine learning is a subset of AI that enables system to learn from data. Then deep learning is a further specialized with ML that uses complex neural networks for more advanced learning tasks. So thank you for watching this video up till the very end and hope you understood about everything in this class. If you still have any confusion or any question, feel free to ask me anytime. I'm always there to help you out. Just make sure not to skip any part of these classes. And up to 1 hour of video, we will have couple of theory and also about our ideas classes. Before getting into our practical classes, we will try to give you out the best idea which you need before starting and also installations of Python for machine learning. So we will have couple of theory-based classes which will help you to clear out couple of things before getting into the basics of machine learning with Python. So thank you for watching this video again, and let's move on to our next class of Python for machine learning.